What is it?
This path will lead you to an unholy place.
Klaatu, Veranda.
Hey. Wait a minute. Everything's cool. I said the word. I did. No. No. Wait. What is it?
This path will lead you to an unholy place. A cemetery. There the Necronomicon awaits. When thou retrievest the book from its cradle, you must recite the words Klaatu, Verata, Niktu.
Klaatu, Verata, Nikto. Okay.
Well, repeat them.
Klaatu, Verata, Nikto.
Again!
I got it! I know your damn words, all right? Seems fairly obvious.
Download Choppergirl's Edgy SoundPack for OpenTX and HTX radio transmitters for your RC model hobby. It's free! And let's be honest, your radio transmitter sucks without it.
Klaatu, Verata.